Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now, and from the presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter and lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, it does need to be made, can you tell it's Friday, is just based on a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into today, this level right around the 890-ish level was that resistance, and along with these moving averages, but now that the price is up above it, that would be the ideal level of support going forward. So 890, definitely if the price can stay above there, that is certainly going to make the chart look, extra healthy next week. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this bounce that is underway now over the past couple of days is going to continue, where are some of these key battlegrounds at? In terms of where the sellers are at, main level right up here around $9.15. Yeah, the price actually did get up above it on a couple of different occasions, throughout the course of the day. But as far as closing up above it, that is where the price struggled. Although it's progress. What do I mean by that? Well, over here, you can see that the price couldn't even get up above it. I mean, it was immediately rejected by 9.15 on several occasions, a few days ago. So at least here, the price is still getting up above it. However, because the price did still close down below there, $9.15 is still going to be that initial area of resistance going into next week. But all in all, what matters most, assuming you're long, of course, is that the price seems to be stabilizing, and not only stabilizing, but now starting to build itself with these higher lows. So we'll see if that can continue into next week. But yeah, a rough week. But like I said, the past couple of days got the stair steps in play. So we'll see if the stair steps can continue to be built or not next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.